This Toys R Us is closing forever, and you know what that means. Time to shop like it's 1995. But first, we hit up our favorite shop in Canada, which is the Dollarama. I love doing some retail therapy after a good workout. This one is in Ontario. So come with me and let's do some shopping. I've been bargain hunting for a little bit and I post everything on my Instagram channel. And I feel like Dollarama has really stepped up its game. So many of the items here can be found in like regular stores or online for like double the price or more. So I've learned that for certain items, I come check out the Dollarama first and then I'll go to the other stores. Like for instance, there are a ton of brand name cleaning products that you can find at the Dollarama that are the same as in other stores. They're just like overstock. Some might be discontinued items that they still have a few pieces left, so they're selling them at the Dollarama. And if you have a keen eye, you can find some really good finds like this doorbell, which is being sold online for like $25, but only for like $5 at the Dollarama. And last time I was there, this like Bean Boozled dupe caught my eye. The regular Bean Boozled game is like $10 to $20. I've never played it. I'm too much of a chicken. But I did grab these freeze-dried sour gummy worms. I was really curious to see what they were going to taste like. Just stay tuned because the review is coming up. And every week I have to check out the beauty aisle because there's always new stuff. There's always some new products that come in. And I was looking for wipes, but then I kind of decided against it because I have micellar water at home. And I think the micellar water is actually more effective at removing makeup. So I walked away from this one. But I still wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that they had this week. The Simple brand and the Self Care Canada brand are really good. They have clean ingredients most of the time. They're also really similar to more high-end products. In fact, a lot of the products here are very similar to more high-end products. I didn't get too much stuff this time, just a few essentials. And yes, absolutely, chocolate is essential when you're pregnant and honestly, even when you're not pregnant. Okay, because this scene isn't super important to this video, I'm going to use this time to ask you to please hit that subscribe button. It helps small creators like me and it makes sure that you don't miss another video. Also put in the comments what your go-to Dollarama purchases are. Let's continue. I said I was going to review the freeze-dried gummy worms, so here it is. Me and my daughter are both trying them. So once I open the pack, I'm actually really surprised by how massive they are. I guess in the freeze drying process, it like blows them up and it's this like really crunchy texture. I think you can tell by my expression that I wasn't a big fan. It just tasted weird. The gummy texture was missing and it stuck to your teeth like crazy. It took me a minute though because I really wanted to like this. I mean, look how cute and colorful they look, but yeah, I just couldn't get into it. A friend of mine told me about a Toys R Us that was closing in Whitby. So because I am pregnant and I had not bought a stroller or a car seat or literally anything yet, we headed over to the closing Toys R Us in Whitby. And I did not film inside because I was so distracted. But honestly, there was like nothing left. We hit up the Babies R Us particularly, but I did get a Nuna Mix Neck stroller. This is like a premium stroller. And if you're curious to see the unboxing of the stroller, make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell button so you don't miss the upcoming video where I'm going to do an unboxing and like a first impressions of the stroller. One thing we didn't count on though is how we were going to take this home, because even though it seemed smaller than the other stroller I wanted, which was the Bugaboo Dragonfly, it actually did not fit in the trunk of the Tesla that we're leasing.
Uh-oh. So what do we do?
Luckily, my husband somehow managed to fit it in the backseat beside the kids. And my husband and kids were quite hungry, so we ended up hitting up a Texas barbecue place in Whitby. Now, I'm not going to recommend it or even tell you the name because it was just okay. There's a better one in Richmond Hill, or I think it's in Markham. It's called Holy Smoke. That one is really good. This one, I would give it like 5 out of 10. I mostly ate the chicken wings and like it was kind of half burnt, so yeah, even their cornbread wasn't that flavorful, which was really disappointing because I love cornbread. Thanks for sticking with me this far on my very first vlog. I promise the next ones are going to be better. I'm still getting the hang of filming these like longer landscape videos, but I have so much more I want to give you guys, so much more I want to share, so make sure you follow along. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's a free thing that you can do. It takes 1 second. It tells me I should continue making videos, and it lets you know when the next one's coming up. See you in the next video, friends.